Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a quick look at a leaf blower. I picked up the Stihl BG 86, which is, I want to say, their strongest handheld leaf blower. All right, I live on 1/3 of an acre. Go get 'em, Molly. As you can see here, all right, a lot of grass, a lot of antics. And I also have a dry riverbed over here. Make sure you check out that video. All right, it's a pretty good one. I got a dry riverbed I got to blow out, and then naturally on the other side of this fence, ton of sidewalk, and I got a driveway up there. Right, so this is supposed to be the best handheld one. I don't really feel like I needed a backpack blower. All right, I'm good with my legs. I'm strong. I can walk around and carry this. So let's get this thing turned on. I'll show you how to do that. We'll blow out some leaves. If I don't have any leaves, we'll blow some grass out of the dry riverbed and off the sidewalk, and yeah, I'll let you know what I think. All right. So to get this started, what you're gonna wanna do is prime it. Use your bubble. All right. Then you're gonna switch to choke, which is there, right? And if you don't have the easy pull or whatever, you're gonna have to, like a lawnmower, get it to where it's tense, pull it, right? Let it run for a moment, warm up, and then you should be able to go over to regular, okay? Hold on, good here. This is normal, right? This stops, kills it. And then if you're going like this and you lock it up, locked in position, okay? All right, so what I think about the Stihl BG 86 is that it definitely does the job for what I have here. Like I said, I live on 1/3 of an acre, got that dry riverbed that prevents the flooding in my basement. So I gotta keep that cleared out. And then I just gotta get the grass blown off the sidewalks, out into the street and all that stuff. And for the extra $100 or $99, it was an upgrade from the 56. So I definitely recommend it. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments. What's up, dude? And then, yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching.